everyone, my name is Sarah Ebuna and I'm here to show you how to use KEDI's first seasonal product, which is the unique KEDI gun massager. But before I do that, don't forget that KEDI gun massager is a cordless rechargeable vibration device which is specially made to effectively relax the muscles, relieve pains and restore mobility. This is what the product box looks like. Okay, now let's open it to see what is in there. Wow, this is what a complete set of KEDI gun massager looks like. Okay, it contains the user's manual. Okay, it has 4 different massage heads. This is called the ball head, which is used for regular relaxation. This is called the U-shaped head, which is used for the shoulder, neck and spine. This is called the small round head, which is used for the joints. And the last but not the least is the flat head, which is used for all parts of the body. It has the gun and then it also comes with a charger. Now let me show you how to use this unique device. The first thing to take note of before you make use of this device is you ensure to put on the battery of this device, and that you can do at the bottom of the device. Okay, you just turn the button to on, that's to the right side. When you do so, you see a green light at the bottom of the device. Afterwards, you locate the LCD touchscreen. Yeah, KEDI gun massager has an LCD touchscreen which is easy to operate. On the LCD touchscreen, you'll see a power icon. Just gently touch the power icon to power the device. On the LCD touchscreen still, you'll see a plus sign which can be used to increase the speed level. You also see a minus sign which can be used to reduce the speed level depending on the intensity of the massage that you desire. The gun also has a perforated clutch which aids its dissipation and improves the performance of the device. Now, to make use of this device, fix in the appropriate massage head, which depends on the spot where you are feeling the pain. Okay, this is for regular relaxation. It is called the ball head. Gently fix in first. Put off the device. Make sure the device is off before you fix in the massage head gently. Okay, then you power the device and then use either the plus sign or minus sign to choose the speed level that you want. Okay, and then you position the massage head on the troubled spots. You move it gently back and forth for about 30 seconds. KEDI gun massager has a low noise technology with its 24V brushless high torque motor, which makes it emit less noise. Back and forth for 30 seconds on the troubled spot. It helps to relieve stress, it helps to restore mobility, and it helps to relax the muscles. After each massage, ensure to gently remove the massage head after putting off the device. Okay, let's try another one. This is called the flat head and is suitable for all parts of the body. You gently fix in the massage head again, gently, then you put on the device. Use the plus sign or the minus sign to adjust the speed level. Okay, and then you put the massage head on the troubled spots. And you move it back and forth gently. KEDI gun massager can be self-used. You don't need anyone to use the massage device on you. You can use it by yourself. I mean, it is very portable. You can take it to the office, you can take it to the school, you can take it to the gym. Okay, and you can use it by yourself. Just put it on the troubled spots and then you move it up and down gently. Okay, KEDI gun massager is specially made for the African markets and it has been exported to over 30 countries. So quality is not a problem when it comes to KEDI gun massager. It is premium, it is noiseless, it is rechargeable. Okay, it has an inbuilt battery that can last up to 6 hours after it is fully charged. KEDI gun massager can be used after a hard day's work to relieve stress and pains. It can also be used after an exercise to relax the muscles. One more thing, it is not just for athletes. KEDI gun massager can also be used by elderly people, people with paralysis, bodybuilders, health enthusiasts, and of course for normal daily users for regular relaxation. Okay, now KEDI gun massager is available for pre-order only. The pre-order commenced on 11th of April 2021 and will end on 30th of June 2021. Visit the closest KEDI Training Centre, regional office or service center nationwide to place your order today. KEDI gun massager sells for 89,250 naira only. The PV, the point value, is 250, while the bonus value, the BV, is 220. Remember that the available quantity of KEDI gun massager is limited. Don't sleep on this. Visit the closest designated center and place your order today. KEDI gun massager, comfort at its best. KEDI, the partner we trust.